p.m. we are generating 3006. That's great.
We are done with another installation here. So here in Ikosi K2 is our 6 kVA inverter system with a 16 kilowatt lithium batteries from Deri, and we have our protection box as usual. Here you can see we are using um solar utility first, but our charging is done during the night with grid. Right now you can see only the solar is charging the battery. So when it's 7 p.m., the battery will be charged by the grid. We have on the roof about 5,000 watts in solar panels. Everything in this apartment you're seeing, including water heater and everything in the kitchen here, will be powered with this system. Thank you.